Good morning, middle schoolers. I come to you with Daisy this morning to practice square breathing, also sometimes called box breathing. And those of you who were with us in the middle school last year might remember this. This practice is used by doctors and nurses. We send good vibes to them right now. And also by athletes and service people like the Navy SEALs, a very specialized force in the Marines, because it helps to reduce stress and also to bring great focus in a moment.
My phone.
Well, we won't need any phones right now, so let's put any technology aside. Put your phone aside. Thank you. Sit up nice and tall, and it starts with an exhale. Just exhale out of your mouth completely, and then you'll start by breathing into the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hold for 4. And then exhale. 3, 4, and then hold out for 4. And then try again. Breathe in for 4. And hold. And out.
I did it.
And hold. Try one more. And pause. Exhale. And hold. Good job. Hopefully that practice of square breathing helps you to feel a little more peace in your body. You can exhale. That'll help you relax.
I'm still in.
Well, you don't want to hold your breath until you become uncomfortable. Just as long as feels good. All right. Enjoy your day.